Hello friends, my name is Mr. Santosh Amritar Rautore. I am working as a lecturer in Sanjeevani Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Kopargaon, district Ahmednagar. Today we are going to learn about the tissue. A tissue is a group of similar cells that usually has a common embryonic origin and function together to carry out specialized activities. Body tissue can be classified into the four types: epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue and connective tissues. Epithelial tissues surround the body surfaces and lines hollow organs, body cavities and duct. It also forms glands. Connective tissues connect and support the body and its organ. It stores fats as an energy reservoir. It helps to prevent from disease causing organism. Muscular tissue produces physical force for the movement of structure. Nervous tissue detect the changes take place inside the body and outside the body. On screen we can see the classification of tissue. It is classified into the four types: epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue. Epithelial is divided into the two types: simple and compound. Muscular is divided into the three types: striated, smooth and cardiac. Connective tissue divided into the five types: blood, areolar, adipose, bone and cartilage. Nervous tissue is divided into the two types: neurons and neuralgia. Let us start with the epithelial tissue. It is divided into the two types: simple epithelial tissue and compound epithelial tissue. Simple epithelial tissue composed of single layers of cells and it is divided into the four types: squamous, cuboidal, columnar and ciliated. Whereas compound epithelial tissue is composed of several layers of cells and divided into the two types: stratified and transitional. So, let us start with the simple epithelial tissue. First type of simple epithelial tissue is squamous or permanent epithelium. It is made up of single layers of flattened cells. Cells are closely fitted with each other. Cells are flat, stone shaped and form a very smooth membrane. Nucleus is centrally located. Location: tissue provide thin, smooth, inactive lining of heart, blood vessels, alveoli of lungs, lymph vessel, glomerular capsules of kidney, inner layer of tympanic membrane and form epithelial layer of peritoneum. Function: it surround the structure, it protect the underlying organ, it absorb the water, it secrete the fluid in serous membrane. Second type of simple epithelial tissue is cuboidal epithelium. These are cube shaped cells and single layer on basement membrane. Nucleus centrally located. Location: it lines the tubules of kidney, lining of glands, surface of ovary, anterior surface of lens capsule and cover small duct of many glands. Function: it play important role in secretion and absorption. Third type of simple epithelial tissue is columnar epithelium. These are single layers of cells. Shape of columnar epitheliums are cubes like. Cells are closely fitted with each other on basement membrane. Location: it lines the organ of gastrointestinal tract, gallbladder and duct of many glands. Function: it absorbs the product of digestion and secrete the mucus. Fourth type of simple epithelial tissue is ciliated columnar epithelium. These are single layers columnar cells. On the surface of each columnar cell has a fine hair like structure called cilia. Cilia propel the content of tube at forward direction. Location: it lines some part of the fallopian tubes of female, respiratory tract and digestive tract. Function. In the respiratory tract, cilia propel mucus toward the throat. In fallopian tubes, cilia propel the oohms toward the uterus. In alimentary tract, cilia propel the digestive content. Now, the first type of the compound epithelial tissue is stratified epithelium. It consists of several layers of cells. Their main function is to protect the underlying organs. Cells nearer to the surface are flat, whereas deepest layer cells are cylindrical in shape. There is continuous migration of cells from deeper layer to the surface. At surface, cells dies and lose the activity of nuclei. Location. Non-keratinized epithelium forms wet surfaces such as conjunctiva of eyes, lining of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, some part of epiglottis and tongue. Keratinized epithelium forms dry surfaces like skin, hair and nails. Function of stratified epithelium is protection. Second part of compound epithelial tissue is transitional epithelium. It is made up of several layers of pear-shaped cells. Shape of transitional epitheliums are variables. Cells in apical layers varies from commas when stretched to cuboidal when relaxed. Location forms the lining of uterus, urinary bladders and urethra. Function protection and permit distension. Here we have concluded the first part of tissue. Thank you being with me. See you soon in our next presentations. Have a great time.